What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be doing a review on NordVPN for Android. All right, so if you're not currently using a VPN, you definitely should be. They give you more privacy and security so Google can't track you. You can stream things, download torrents, movies, whatever, without your service provider, flagging you and saying you're doing something illegal. And then, of course, you can access restricted websites not available in your country. All right, so I've really just started to get into, NordVPN, but I've been using it for like a little over a month now. I've actually subscribed to about 3 different services, so I just want to, kind of rate how this one works. And I'm also going to have a link in the description for it if you guys want to check it out. But basically, Nord's been around for about 6 years now, so they've got, some reputation under them. As far as, what they offer on here, you can access 6 devices simultaneously, which is pretty cool. And then they've got 4,200 servers worldwide, which is a ton of servers. Their mobile app works really well. It's, very easy to use, and it's got a really nice interface on it. That's why I like it. However, this is not a free service. It is a paid service. It's like $10 a month, something like that. But that's just kind of the going rate now for VPNs. But I'll tell you what, definitely worth it. Every time I mention subscribing to a VPN, I just compare it to like, subscribing to Netflix. You kind of just do it. But honestly, what you're going to get on here is definitely worth it, in the long run, just for security purposes alone. Okay, anyways, this is what the interface looks like on here. Now, you're going to see a world map that you can zoom in and out on. And you can kind of just highlight literally any location on this map. And right here, let's check out. Okay, we got Costa Rica right here. That's pretty cool. Let's say that we want to connect to Costa Rica. All you have to do is click the Connect Now button, but you can also pull up other servers in Costa Rica. So let's check that out. All right, so you can see there's all these different servers you can connect to. Basically, when you want to connect to a different area or location, you just highlight, this little button right here, and then it's gonna, just take you to your settings here, and then it's gonna just connect. Like, it's literally that easy. So pretty much with the click of a button, it's gonna connect a VPN for you, and then you're pretty much good to go. Now, what's cool about it as well is that you can kind of pull up, it'll show you your connection activity. It's gonna change your IP. It's gonna show your new IP up here, but I'm still gonna head over to Google, and I wanna do like the check my location feature to make sure that it's, working all good and everything. Now, I was kind of mentioning, this is the only VPN that I've used where it pulls up this kind of like cool world map. You got like little ships in here. You got like a tanker up here, which is pretty cool, submarine. You got boats. But anyways, I mean, you get the idea here. You can connect anywhere in the world. It's pretty cool. I do like the interface on here. It's pretty slick. And it's very simple. I mean, there's not much to it. It's not like super analytical or anything. You see a location you want to connect to, and then you connect, and you're good to go. Now, let's head over to Google, because I did want to do that and, kind of just check the location. So let's head over there. Let's type in what is my location. All right, let's check it out. So it should show us in Costa Rica. Oh, there we go. All right, so now we're in Costa Rica. So currently I'm not in Costa Rica. Obviously, I'm in Chicago, Illinois, but how cool is that? So, I mean, this thing works perfect. As far as like connectivity issues, I haven't had anything like that. Once you're connected, it stays connected. And, like I said, you really, you can't beat the security and privacy with the VPN. It's definitely a good idea to subscribe to one if you haven't. Me, myself, I'm always, downloading things, streaming things like movies and, stuff like that I'm not supposed to be. So, I can get myself in trouble, but, as long as I've got that on, I'm not going to get in trouble. Also, check out that Thanos wallpaper. How cool is that? I just threw this up on this phone recently, and it looks pretty awesome. Anyways, I'll have a link in the description for NordVPN, but, I love their app for Android. It's awesome. So, check them out for sure. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions about Nord. I'll get back to you. You could also hit the like and share button on this video. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching it, guys, and we'll see you.